How can I generate an MD5 sum for a folder on Windows? There are several posts about generating MD5 sums for files and/or folders on various Windows platforms. However, none of these worked for me. I tried. Windows srtutle hash file my file name MD5, returns access is denied on all folders, my CMD is running with admin privileges. Hashtag does not show up in the properties dialog in Explorer as advertised. Summer properties does not show up in the properties dialog either. Hashtag does not allow MD5 for folders, only files. MD5 checker does not compute the MD5 of the entire folder, only files in it. At this point I am starting to get a bit desperate. Please note that I am using Windows 7 x64. For info, if possible, I am trying to find a tool that will allow something like this in Linux.
None of these quite did what I needed, so I came up with this alternative. Outputs in the format, at 1 line per file. If you want to use a GUI, I can recommend Some Frontend. Some Frontend is a free and easy-to-use tool that allows to compute message digests, checksums and max for files, and text strings. It supports drag and drop, and you can handle multiple files at once. The checksum generator can be used to verify the integrity of the files. It supports 96 algorithms, MD5. As the name implies, Some Frontend is a GUI for, among others, Slavasoft Sum, a fast and handy command line utility for file integrity verification. It offers a choice of 13 of the most popular hash and checksum functions for file message digest and checksum calculation. Its features include possibility to act recursively. Some can operate not only on files from a specific directory, but also on files from all subdirectories of the specified directory, work with large size files. Tested on file sizes of up to 15 GB, full compatibility with MD5 Sum utility.
You can achieve the equivalent to your Unix command, minus the sorting, with the following. You can change the dot for whatever folder you want to recurse from, and the dot to whatever file mask you need in order to narrow down your file set.
PowerShell provides loop statement. Some people may prefer this syntax. For each $f in dir srtutle hash file $fmd5. Reference this URL.
Hashcheck shell extension, archive, can be used to get a hash of a directory. This can be done by using hashcheck on the directory. This will generate a .md5 file which contains a listing of the hashes of each file in that directory, including all files and subdirectories. Use hashcheck again on the .md5 file it generated above. This final generated .md5 file contains a hash of the entire directory.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.